You've probably talked to a few of them by now. ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Grok, maybe DeepSeek or Llama. And they feel different, don't they? One is warmer, one is sharper at code, one has a sense of humor. They're sold to us as rivals, competing brands, each with its own personality, fighting for your attention. But here's a secret the AI industry doesn't advertise. Under the hood, they are almost the same machine. Not similar, not related, nearly identical in the ways that matter most. And once you see why, you'll never look at the AI wars the same way again. Let me show you the 4 things nearly every major AI model secretly shares. The first is their architecture. Every one of these models, GPT, Claude, Gemini, Llama, Grok, DeepSeek, is built on the same fundamental design. It's called a transformer. And it didn't come from any of these companies. It came from a single research paper published by Google researchers in 2017 with a now famous title, "Attention is all you need." That one paper lit the fuse for everything. Every chatbot you have ever used is, at its core, a descendant of that 2017 design. Different companies, different logos, billions of dollars in competition, all building on the exact same blueprint. The second thing they share is even stranger. They all do the same, single trick. Despite everything they can do, write essays, debug code, pass exams, hold a conversation, every one of these models is really only doing one thing, predicting the next word. That's it. You give it some text, and it asks, based on everything I have ever read, what word most likely comes next. Then it does that again, and again, one word at a time. The poetry, the code, the arguments, all of it emerges from a machine playing the world's most sophisticated game of autocomplete. Claude does it, GPT does it, Gemini does it. The trick is identical, only the scale is different. The third shared trait is what they learned from. And this is where the same becomes almost literal. To learn language, these models are fed a staggering amount of text, a huge fraction of the entire public internet. Wikipedia, millions of books, code from GitHub. News, forums, essays, arguments, the collected writing of humanity. Here's the catch. There is only one internet. So these rival models are largely reading the same library. They studied the same Wikipedia, the same books, the same forum threads. Imagine 4 students who all read the exact same textbooks, sat the same courses, and crammed from the same notes. Would you really be shocked if they gave similar answers on the test? And the fourth thing they share is the recipe. The overall process of building one of these models has become so standardized it is almost a formula. Pre-train on the internet to learn language, then fine-tune it with human feedback to make it helpful and polite. Company to company, the ingredients are nearly the same. The steps are nearly the same. So let's add it up. The same architecture from the same 2017 paper, the same core trick, predicting the next word, the same training data, the internet itself, and the same recipe to build them. 4 rival AIs, one shared skeleton. But maybe you're thinking, fine, the foundations are similar, but these models clearly behave differently. That difference has to mean something, right? That is exactly where this story takes a turn, one that even surprised the researchers studying it. So if every major AI model shares the same architecture, the same trick, the same training data, and the same recipe, what actually makes them different? The honest answer is less than you would think. And the differences that do exist are mostly cosmetic. The personality you feel, one model being warm, another blunt, mostly comes from the final polishing stage, called fine-tuning. After a model learns language from the internet, its makers shape its behavior with human feedback, rewarding some answers, discouraging others, giving it a tone, a set of manners, and rules about what it won't say. Think of it like this. Every company builds the same engine from the same blueprint, running on the same fuel. Then they give it a different paint job, a different badge, and tune the handling slightly. To the driver, the cars feel different. Under the hood, it is the same engine. That's the AI industry. The personality is the paint. The engine is shared. But here is where it stops being a fun fact and becomes genuinely profound. Because it is not just that we build these models in similar ways. Recent research suggests that, all on their own, they are actively growing more alike on the inside. In 2024, researchers at MIT put forward a striking idea. They called it the Platonic Representation Hypothesis. And what they argue is this. As AI models get bigger and more capable, the way they internally represent the world is converging. Different models, trained by different companies on different data, are independently arriving at the same internal map of reality. Let that sink in. Nobody is coordinating this. These are competitors. And yet, as they scale up, their inner worlds are drifting toward the same shape. The researchers even found this across completely different senses. A model that only reads text and a model that only sees images begin to represent concepts in remarkably similar ways, as if both are sketching the same underlying reality from different angles. And their explanation is beautiful. There is only one reality out there. And if you train a system to model that reality accurately enough, there are only so many ways to get it right. The better these models get, the fewer valid maps of the world remain, until they all start converging on the same one. The name comes from the ancient philosopher Plato, who imagined that behind the messy world we see lies one perfect, ideal form of things. These researchers suspect AI models are, without knowing it, feeling their way toward that single shared truth. Now, I want to be honest with you, because this matters. This is a hypothesis, not a settled fact. Other researchers debate it. Specialized models can still diverge, and the way we measure this similarity is still argued over. It is a bold idea, not a closed case, but the core observation underneath it is hard to deny. The most powerful AIs on Earth are becoming more alike, not less, in their bones and increasingly in their minds. So let's come back to where we started. You open GPT, Claude, Gemini, Grok, 4 names, 4 brands, 4 rivals. But you now know the truth. The same 2017 architecture, the same next word trick, the same internet, read cover to cover, the same recipe, and beneath it all, minds that appear to be converging on the very same picture of reality, which leaves one strange, haunting question. If every AI is drifting toward the same internal world, are we really building many different minds? Or are we, slowly and without meaning to, uncovering just one? If you found this fascinating, subscribe. Every week, we break down the ideas shaping our future, and I'll see you in the next one.